Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to the channel. I am Tyler Fikes. If you guys haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Anyways, today I got right here an old tailgate. If you guys remember the K20 that my buddy had a while back on the channel, we went and got the truck and then we ended up replacing the bed. And this is the old tailgate. And if you guys don't know about my truck, I'll put a picture up right here. I have replaced the tailgate with a tire gate, so I have the GMC tailgate up in my bedroom. And that one is like perfect quality, no dents, no scratches, perfect paint and everything. So that one's good enough to go in my room. This one, if you guys can't tell, the paint is a little bit messed up. And you can see right there, I tried just a color to see if that's the color I'm gonna want and the color I'm gonna like. And it is, so my plan for this is I'm gonna make this into a bench. And I'm gonna try to have this as the backing and then maybe have levers right here and here so I can open it up and have it be the seat. So when it's not in use, that's the back, and when it is in use, it's a seat. And then use 2x4s and make it and put it in my backyard somewhere. Not totally sure on the design yet, but today I'm gonna be doing the cleaning up of it. I already cleaned it really good. I sprayed it with some brake cleaner because I just wanna get everything off. I don't care about this paint at all. And a lot of it is primer over the old stock paint. And the color it used to be is that rustic brown red. So I already did the cleaning process. I thought about sanding it, but I'm not gonna do any sanding. So what I wanna do is go over it with about 3 coats of orange. That orange, I'll get the can. So it's just gonna be some Rust-Oleum paint and primer. And I think I'll like the color. It'll come out good. That's why I just did a little test spot, see if I'm gonna like it. And then I'm gonna tape that off and do that white. So I think that'll look really cool with the white accent and then the whole orange body. So I probably won't finish the whole bench in this video, but on one of the next videos, you guys will see this as a bench, and I thought this would just be a cool restoration project to see how good you can paint a body panel off of a truck yourself at your home. And I am gonna get clear coat. I have clear coat already, and I'm gonna do 3 coats of clear after I do 3 coats of color. So let me set up the camera and then we'll get the first coat on. All right, so there's the first coat done. I'm gonna let that sit for about 10 minutes, and we got 2 more coats to go. So I'll skip you guys to that next time lapse, and here we go. And now we'll wait another 10 minutes and then we'll go for part 3 and then we'll start the clear. All right, guys, it's about time to put the clear coat on. It's been almost half an hour. And unfortunately, I didn't notice these dents until after the color was all the same. But now that the color's all the same, you can see there are a good amount of dents everywhere. It's not a big deal though. Like I said, this is just gonna become a bench. It's not going back on a truck or anything. And for as old as it is, it's in pretty good shape. It's from the 70s, so it's lived a long life. Now we're gonna start the clear. And same thing with this, we gotta stay even distance away and then do even coats and a lot of coats. So I'm probably gonna do 3, maybe 4. All right, so this stuff actually has a little bit thicker of a stream than the paint itself does. And I think it's making it look really good. It's gonna give it a nice, clear, shiny, glossy finish. So we'll probably put 2 more coats down and call it good. All right, and we have drained another can of paint. So that is what it looks like right now. I gotta let it dry for probably like an hour before I'm gonna move it. At least an hour, but I have to go to school, so it'll sit for like 7 hours probably before it gets moved. But I think it came out really clean already, and this is from spray paint. Didn't take it to a shop, obviously you guys saw, but I'm impressed with the quality of the paint. Pretty even distribution. I think it looks really good. Other than things that I can't, I don't have any effect on, like how it was broken there and there, and like little dents that happen to show up everywhere. But I think this is gonna make for a really cool bench. Let me know what you guys think. And now here it is dry. You can see no runs. That's really even coating everywhere. It feels really good and smooth. I'm really happy with how it turned out. So now I just got back from school. I'm gonna flip it over, and then we're gonna start coating the other side in black, but I also am gonna have to tape it off. So I just taped off the edges because I want that to look clean too. So I'm gonna hit that with some black first, do the other side, then flip it over. And now we have this taped off, so I'm gonna start the first layer of black on the back. So I kind of just did one big coat of black, but I made sure to keep even distribution. I went really slow, really light coats, just back and forth. And this is gonna be the back of the bench. So what I'm envisioning right now is this will be the part you lean against, but the orange part will be, and this will be the back of it. And I'm gonna have 2x4s as the frame, and then some redwood going across as the part you sit on. And there are no runs or anything on the back, but like I said, once you get the color on it, you really see all the imperfections. I can see all the dents and the nicks in the old paint where it was thicker than others, but it's coming out pretty good, especially for spray paint. So I'm gonna let this dry for about half an hour, and then I'll do like 3 coats of clear on the back, take the tape and everything off, and we'll see how it looks. All right, guys, this is 3 coats of clear. Later, or it might be 4, I can't remember. No, it was 3, because I saved a little bit of clear coat. I had to get a different can for the back side because I ran out on the front side stuff. I saved a little bit for the GMC, and I am gonna do it in today's video. I had some white paint, so I am gonna get the GMC logo done today as well. But the back, I did 3 coats of clear, and I let it dry for, it's been about an hour since I did the last coat, and it came out really good. Better than when the paint was wet. It looks better now. And so this is the back side. You guys can get up close. And that texture that is left behind is all from the bed. I had no effect on that. I could have sanded it, but I didn't have the sandpaper, and I figured it's just becoming a bench, and this is the back side anyways, so I didn't bother sanding it. But I even did in the edges, and you can see it was kind of tough because I had to tape off right there, so I didn't get totally under there. But it feels so smooth. It feels like a new paint job. So other than the previous condition of the metal, leaving behind the close-up imperfections, it looks really good. And the texture almost makes it look like a bed liner, so that came out really cool. I am bummed about the little divots and stuff like that, but like I said, I have no effect over that. So there's the back. Let me flip it over so you can see the front. So we're over to the front. This is what it looks like now, but I'm gonna get that painted. I'm gonna tape it all off, paint that white, and then show you guys the final product. No more in-between steps, so you guys are gonna see the final product in a couple seconds. So here's pretty much the finished product. I got the GMC white, and there are some little spots that the tape pulled off, and that pisses me off because I let it sit for like 8 hours before I paint it again and put the tape down. But it is what it is. I'm gonna get another can, I'm gonna touch it up, but I won't do that in this video. Overall, it looks pretty good, and I'll be able to touch up all the little stuff that got peeled off with the tape. And you guys will see the finished product once I have it in bench form, but I think it came out really good. And you can see over here where the paint didn't get messed up from the tape. It came out really nice. It's got the shine to it and everything. Anyways, if this is your guys' first time stopping in, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you guys liked the video in any way, please hit the thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and until next time, see you guys later.